Hi guys, this is Anna and today I'm going to explain my web technology lab exercise 9, that is to check the availability of the username using Ajax and PHP. So this is my PHP code over here, that is for the registration of the page. I have given the heading as this, and then the form action I have given as second.php and the method as get. Then I have specified the username and the password and a corresponding text and password type here, and on blur option I have used and check user this dot value, and then the input type as submit to create a button with the value register on it. Now this is my scripting code wherein I have used the function check user here. So I have used the XML HTTP, which is equals to new, I have used an object here, and then the XML HTTP request, and then open using the get method, and then the PHP name equals to plus string, whatever the value is retrieved from there, and true because I am using asynchronous method, and then XML dot send HTTP dot on ready state change equals to function. Like I'll check the function. So if this dot ready state equals to 4 means there will be no error, and the status if it is equals to 200 means in my element ID tell this value which is stored will be copied. Now moving on to the second.php, I have used here an input method $get the name, and then the name and the connection in which I am I have specified the local host, root, and then the registration here. Then if the name is not null means I will select star from the users where the username is like the input that I am writing there, and then the result, that is MySQL I underscore query $con and $SQL, and then I'll fetch the value from the array into $a, and then the hint I will be provided, and the hint is echoed like the username does not exist or the username exists. So if the hint is true, if the hint is if the hint is not false means it will provide username already exists, otherwise it will display the username does not exist. So let us see how this works. So as soon as I run this file, I'll get this page. This is my database wherein I have inserted the value and my password as 123 using the XAMPP. Now let us see what I get as the output when I click on this, when I run this file. So going to the main page, when I run this file, I'll get a registration page wherein I'll enter the name as Anne and then the password as 123. So as soon as I enter the username, I'll get a text message over here as the username already exists. So I click here as 123 and then register means it will ask me, okay, no, then username already existed, that is Anne. Now in case I register something that is out of my database, if I access Maria means it says the username does not exist and my password is 145, and then as soon as I click register means it says the username does not exist. So this is how my lab exercise 9 works. Thank you.